So welcome back everybody. As I was saying and anticipating, I'm going to do a review of the market price action on EurUsd throughout the Asian session. After the big volume and volatility throughout the FOMC, the release and the press conference where I missed so many entries, I know that it kept the momentum, the bullish bias throughout the Asian session. But this is sort of the same thing. Yesterday I had the same bias and it was clear that we were playing the buys, but I did not take advantage of it. So I want to review now the Asian session to see and possibly really understand better and take some entries, just increase the confidence. Okay, so let me just 2.5, this is a 10. Okay, so yes, quite this is of course the market replay. If I want to risk 2%, okay, if I want to risk 2%, it's 0.68. .68 lots. Why is it 2% on 10,000? Minus 2.5. I don't know. I think it's there's something weird. I don't know if it's on my. This is the actual lot size that I use on my balance, but yeah. So let's just go with 1, and that's okay. So as you can see over here, price is above an hourly PSA. Now this is the start of the Asian session at 1 a.m. is when usually it opens. So here, if I have to be looking at the PSAs that I'm as a reference, of course I would be looking for. I will be careful because of course it's the session open, so it's like a London or New York open where we might see multiple pullbacks. So far the trade ideas will be like this, better above these highs or below these lows. The safest entry will be if we see a full correction and the price move below the even the key level 1.087. So these are basically more or less the trade ideas. I'm not going to take in the first minutes if the price breaks out, but if it goes above here, absolutely I will. So let's see the price action. Okay. So that's why there's no entry so far. There's no direction yet. Let me just move a little bit faster. Okay. Okay. So price is chugging away. Now we are possibly seeing a rejection, nice bearish momentum. So if we see now a clear break and retest of these lows, we might take some scalp. As you can see, price back into the range, tapped this hourly PSA and go back. I'm not going to take buys over here at the end of the pullback, even though it's a very good high risk, high reward entry. Okay. So let me just decrease this. And now, of course, this is, I don't know if it is moving or what, but yeah, this is still based on this PSA. Let's see if we have a break and retest above. Okay, nice breakout so far. Okay, that is looking nice. It's not giving us any chance to enter yet. Price went, I mean, we're talking about a very small range, 3.5 pips. Okay, we got the retest of this, more or less of the PSA. I don't know if this one should have been an entry. Probably. Okay, so yes. So we missed on the entry because it was going too fast. The retest of this PSA, and you can see it will be around 8 point something pips. And this second entry, second trade idea would have been above these highs. So this will be already a break-even trade and with the possibility the chance that the price will continue up. So what I'm going to do different than I usually do on the live, I try to really, okay, take advantage of the continuation if that is going to happen. So far we're seeing a rejection. Price might pull back to these lows. We never got this entry confirmation, but we got this one. We're possibly retesting these highs as well. So that's where price might have been reacting to. And so now, okay, what do I want to see? I want to see a retest of these lows. Okay, let me go slow, because if we see some kind of confirmation, we might take a buy. Okay, so we might take this buy. Okay, so far 2.4 pips. If it goes around there, the stop loss is going to break even. Okay, 3 pips. We are approaching China open. Okay, want to be careful about the 5 pips. So far it's looking that we are facing a rejection, but I mean, in this case, what I could do is place the stop loss now below these lows, but even where it is, it's okay so far. Let's see, because I don't want to then see this bounce, this retest at the China open, and then be stopped out at break even instead of getting a profitable trade. Okay, so let's fast forward a little bit. Okay, so yeah, this is exactly what I didn't want to happen. Okay, so now let's see if it goes to 5 pips. As I said, is going to be automatically at break even. So that's the, okay, went to 5, so the stop loss is automatically at break even. There you go. So this is the hard set rule. I'm going to look out for the 10 pip TP. Now, yeah, it's China open. Okay, so this first entry we got stopped out at break even, and the maximum that we went enter over there, was around 6 pips. So now let's see for the price action. Of course, I would love to see price breaking and retesting these highs. I'm not expecting these lows to be broken, but yeah, let's see. Okay, so far the hourly is still rejecting it. And this might be, of course, this is probably hindsight. This might be a good another attempt, because now what we're seeing from the market is that failing to break below, failing to break new lows. Still, I don't have any bullish strong confirmation apart from this. But if I enter here, the stop loss will will not cover too much. And that's basically hindsight trading. So I will wait now for the price to break and retest above here for a possible continuation buy. Just wanted to see over here if I add this. Yeah, this one would still be safe if I didn't have the break even. Okay. Okay, yeah, I would have lost. So that's good. Because I don't know where the pullback might go. We are 15 minutes after the China Open. This for me is too high risk, high reward to take a buy at the end of the pullback, but might be the PSA. Of course, now with this in mind, I can probably take this break and retest in anticipation of the break above. If this is a liquidity grab made to in the new low and then a retest, I will have super high risk high reward entry over there, and then a continuation at this next candles and at the next PSA. So yeah, let me just slow down a little bit. So if we break above this PSA, let's see if we have a retest. Okay, retesting this high. So for me, this is the trade idea. same thing applies. Okay, now let's move fast. Let's see if we have a continuation up. Very nice candle closing. Now we'd love to see some bullish price action. Okay, so we got a stop loss, we got stopped out. Probably we were too greedy because we were buying in the middle of the range, but sometimes it does work. So now let's just see the continuation. Okay, so now this is not a valid PSA anymore, not this one. Now let's just see with the what the market is telling us. Okay, very slowly. Okay, now there's some more volume. Let's see if we have any reaction over there, because now this PSA is quite useless in terms of what I want to see retested. So let's see over here. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, so far rejection. Okay, let me slow down a little bit because otherwise I will miss out on the possible entries. If we break above, now there's a very high chance that price can continue pushing up. This is one of the situations where I can also put, for example, a buy stop into that. So let's try this trade idea. I want a buy stop over there, and with of course TP 8 pips, 10 pips, sorry, and the stop loss 2.5. So let's see. I don't know. Yeah, I wanted one lot because that's what I'm trading. Okay. So we said that TP is around 10. Okay, and we said that the stop loss is 22.5. Okay, so let's see now the price action. Okay, now it's nice, not activated yet. Good. Okay, so now it gets activated. Nice possible reaction from there, from that level. Okay, so far it's moving up. Let's see at 5 pips. As I said, as always, I'm going to place it at break even. Further retest. Let's see. Okay. Let's see if we have some continuation bullish now. Okay. Okay, so now it's 5 pips. So the stop loss goes to break even. And now we are letting it run to profits. I'm liking the fact that this could also be a second entry. I'm liking the fact that we are breaking, retesting, and holding above this last high. So you can see that that's the PSA that I wanted to stay safe. I mean, I am at break even, but yeah, if a possible second entry, that would have been the trade idea. Wow, multiple reaction and rejections. I can see that the sellers are not able to push down. Now I'm quite confident that it's going to at least, yeah, to the 10 pips. Okay. Let's see if we have another spike up. Yeah, this is the thing that I don't want to be in while in a live trade. So that's when the emotions are coming back strong, because now I have the temptation to place the stop loss down here to at least have 3 pips, but might spike down, retest this area, and then continue pushing up. Or as you can see, if I just wait, I just have to let the trade run by itself. So as you can see, we got a winning trade. And so yeah, that's basically the session done, because we got one win, one loss, and one break even. So yes, so that's a profitable day. Let's see if we have further trade ideas playing out with a break area test above these highs for the continuation. I don't know about these. These are based on the hourly as well. Okay, so far strong rejections. Okay, this might be a further trade idea, and probably placing at break even, if that's placing at break even around this hourly PSA. Okay, nice, so far nice retest, nice candle close. Okay, I want to see it pushing up. If it breaks above these highs, then I'm going to really close the stop loss, because I mean after, okay, so there's no need to risk it fully after winning the last trade, and just hoping for the price to break above. Okay. Okay, so after all this rejection, what I will do is placing at break even. And let's see, if it wants to break above, then it's okay. If it's otherwise rejecting all the way down, then I can take a break-even trade without any issue. Okay, 3.6 for the rejections. Yeah, probably a break-even trade by the looks of it. Okay, no, it's pushing up. Nice. Now it's a choice. I could let it run and let it see if it goes to TP, or I can take any 6 pips, 7 pips just for the sake of it. But yeah, let it just run. 7.5 pips, it's okay because it's a 3-to-1, so I will take it out. And yeah, even if would have gone to 10 pips straight away, right? Yes. So that's exactly what I was talking about. Taking it out and then it goes to TP. Not trusting my idea, but yeah, it's a better than nothing. So anyway, just looking at the history of this session, as you can see, we got a break-even trade, first break-even trade, because price went to 5 pips. The entry was quite late. This one would have been a 7 pips, but yeah, it doesn't really matter. So probably if I enter over here, yeah, would be already at break even there. So then after middle of the range, but it's okay because we got our reasons. We got a minor loss, a 2.6 pips loss, and then we got a 10 pip win. This should have been another 10 pip win, but we took it out a little bit early, so we missed out on around 24, 25 euro. But overall, if you just do the math just from this Asian session, is a minus 1.64 minus 23.92 plus 92 plus 68. So it's another 34 net on euro. So that's absolutely good. Yeah, like a 50, yeah, it's like a 15 pip win. That's very good. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Of course, I knew that the price was overall bullish, but as you can see from these losses and this break even, I didn't know the price sensitivity area. I didn't know about this area. What was that? So I took my trades and I managed them accordingly. And yeah, just waiting, not letting the price run, and taking advantage of it. I don't know if the price will continue up. We can see, just for curiosity. Yeah, looks like it's pulling back down. Yeah, okay, so that's not really anything relevant anymore. And yeah, this is just from a simple, this is from a simple Asian session, 2 hours, basically 2-3 hours of trading. Yeah, because this is from here, we started at 1, and we took our first at 1:30, and at 3:30 we took, at 3:50 we took the last one, because now with the remarket replay it's much easier to just let it run, and that's okay. In terms of percentage, so we got 134.32. So what we were saying, 134.32 divided by 10k. So divided, okay, divided by 10k. It's a 1.3% because we were risking very, very small. It's a, yeah, so we are risking not much. This is I don't know why it's false. Yeah, I could have been risking. So if I have a 10k account and I want to risk 2%, it's 200. So I risk 200. So should have been basically a 10 lot, 8, 9 lots on each of these trades. So that would be nice. Okay, yes. So I don't know why it says that I'm risking 26%, like if I had the 1,000 euro margin. Yeah, but if I had 9 lots, this would have been, of course, it would be basically 10 times. So okay, I just recreated it with the 9 lots. So as you can see, it's 11,242, the actual difference. So it's 1,242 divided into 10k. Yeah, we got a 12%. So as you can see, yeah, that's nice. We risked, yeah, 10% is 1k, so it's a 12% because we got 6%, a little bit more because we're risking a little bit more than 2%. I think we are risking like 2.6%. We got a break even where we paid the commissions, and then we got this loss as before. So overall, a very good trade. 12% in just 12 hours, in just 3 hours is absolutely great, and it's not just being perfect, just taking the trades, taking the chances, and waiting for the price to do its thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed. See you today for the New York session.